Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. And hey, guys, I have something really exciting for you. I think it's going to help you trade. And I think it's going to help you really trade and just learn the market dynamics of how markets actually function, when the right time to buy is, when the right time to sell is. And I want to show you this because I've come across it and I feel that it is going to be a game changer. I think it's early on in the development of this product, but I think that there is a ton of potential, and you could actually jump in and join and actually help use and test this product yourself. And let me get right into it, guys. But first, if you guys like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on that little red button right below this video. I'd be really appreciative. I love it when people subscribe. I love it when people comment or engage on my posts so that I can help them be more effective traders, help them learn cryptocurrency and blockchain and so forth and so on. So anyway, please do that. But let's jump right into what I'm going to talk about today, guys. So guys, meet Hypester. Hypester is a company that's providing financial education services specifically within the crypto markets, not exclusively in the crypto markets, but definitely in the crypto markets. And I want to go through today something called Spectro. It's an indicator that Hypester has recently put out, and it's claiming to have 81% precision, which is mind-blowing, right? I mean, even if it had 55% precision or 60% or 70%, this would still be a game changer. But they're basically touting that they have an 81% precision rate to give accurate calls on whether to buy or sell different cryptocurrencies, right? So let's go through exactly what Spectro is, what Hypester is, and what this indicator is and how you can use it. I am going to be creating a series of videos that really kind of show you as an experiment, what Hypester is, what Spectro indicator is, the crypto trading course that they actually are giving away to users that use Spectro. And I'm going to show you how you guys can benefit from this, because I think it's going to be a game changer. And I think that people that can get in early on this, I think are going to have, tremendous success. I think they're going to find that, when you have the right indicators coupled with a bit of trading knowledge or investing knowledge, day trading, swing trading, whatever you want to call it, you can be very effective in your trading style. Okay. So let's just get right into it. Okay. So Spectro indicator gives entry and exit alerts and trend analysis with 81% precision. That's pretty good, huh? It sounds too good to be true, but let's keep reading. A powerful trading indicator with proven performance by trusted source. Trade better, faster, and safer with Spectro. Here's the founder. His name is Roderick Spector. I've actually talked to him a few times and very impressed at what he's created, his ability to explain trading, to explain investing, explain the crypto markets as he sees them. And I was actually very impressed because what he's putting together here is really an educational service to help folks become better traders, better cryptocurrency traders, better stock market traders. And in this offer for Spectro is actually something that's right up my alley that I would love to test, because if it is effective, if it can help me trade better, even just a little bit, it's going to be worth it in the long run. Okay, so Spectro works on many assets and timeframes as you want simultaneously. Spectro offers multi-resolution trend analysis, entry and exit points, possible direction change warnings, noise reduction, and everything else highly customizable. There's no limit, really. Okay, Spectro takes your trading to the next level, and I have seen this firsthand by starting to use Spectro. And I'm going to make in this video series, what Spectro is, how you can start using it, what it looks like, the ways you can use it to trade and become a better trader. So let's keep going. Spectro works on any asset and is completely customizable. So Spectro is not only for cryptocurrency markets, although I will be focusing on cryptocurrency markets because that's what I'm into. I don't dabble too much into the stock market here and there, but Spectro can be used for both the stock market and for cryptocurrency markets, right? It works through the platform TradingView, so you can sign up for a TradingView account. There's a link in the bottom of this video to do that. You can sign up for a TradingView account, and essentially it acts as a plugin. So Spectro Indicator is essentially a plugin or an add-on for TradingView, right? And so it works directly integrated with the TradingView platform. Okay. Spectro Indicator isn't a magic formula, so keep that in mind. Never underestimate the power of human judgment, and it is not a bot. It's basically a tool to help you have better informed decisions of when you should buy and sell. And there's actually indicators on the charts, which I'll show you here in a minute, that'll show you exactly how to do that, okay? easy to use, limited users, and awesome support. So right now, there's only a handful of users on this platform, not too many. And so the advantage to that is that if you use this strategy, the methodology that Roderick is using while he creates Spectro indicator, it's not oversaturated. It's not overused. It's not at the point where there's, a million users and everybody's using this strategy. Therefore, it actually, creates this effect where that strategy no longer is valid. We are not in that case yet. So it's a good time to get in on Spectro because the strategy, the indicators still work. And I did talk to Roderick, directly himself. And the way that it really works is that Spectro is predicting parabolic movements using algorithms and equations to predict where a price may be in this parabolic type of movement, right? So if you notice in cryptocurrencies in the charts, if you just look right here, you'll notice that there's all sorts of parabolic movements, right? Some are small, some are large, but you can see there's down, up, down, up, down, up. And these are parabolic movements, all right? So what Spectro Indicator has done is they've actually created an algorithm that predicts, on these charts where the next buy or sell play may be based on these parabolic movements. So they use predictive analytics and predictive math or algorithms, if you will, to predict whether or not there will be a spike or a downturn based on the parabolic movement of the particular asset that you're looking at. And in my case, it's cryptocurrencies, right? So here's a quick example of how it works. Let me go back to the front page here and show you exactly what it's doing here. It's hard to see on this chart, but you can see there's little indicators right here. I'm going to go on a real live chart here in a minute, and I'll show you better what this looks like. But then also there's something in the background. You can see here, see where it's red and green, red, green. It actually will show you when there's a market change. So when there's a change from a bull market to a bear market, it'll actually highlight that and indicate that directly on the charts in the background, showing the color of a bear or bullish market, whether or not if the market's going up or down. So that gives you another indicator if we're entering a bear market or a bull market so that you can prepare and trade, more effectively using your own strategies, okay? Okay, so right now they're offering this indicator. It's more in beta, I would say. Not officially in beta, but they're only allowing a maximum of 200 members to join and to sign up for this indicator and to try out this platform, because they want to dial in the performance, okay? Right now they're saying that, and it even says, in order to preserve Spectro's performance, we will limit the number of memberships per market, which is very smart, right? You don't want to dilute, saturate, and ultimately change the way that this strategy is working because there's too many members, too many people using the same strategy, okay? Right now, they're claiming an 81 average percent precision rate, which I'm going to test and put to the test. Spectro's average performance using market data from the world's 12 most popular assets from 2005 to present are considering a 81% precision rate. The best part of Spectro is that it's $35 a month because it's new, because it's right now just being launched. Right now, Hypester is offering the Spectro indicator for only $35 a month. And honestly, if you keep it for more than a month, you're also going to get a free cryptocurrency trading course, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. I've gone through the crypto trading course. It is phenomenal. It is worth at least a couple $100. And I'm going to show you that in subsequent videos of why I think it's worth so much money. I mean, there's hours and hours of videos on how you do technical analysis and trading. But aside from that little bonus that you're going to get, it's $35 a month to get this indicator. And guys, even if it works part of the time, $35 a month is not a whole lot of money when you're trading in the cryptocurrency markets. It's just not, okay? I mean, you can make $35 fairly easily in the crypto markets. You can lose it as well, but $35 in a month is really not that expensive. So for me, it's kind of a no-brainer to use this. Okay, or at least to test it out for myself, right? Okay, sign up for TradingView. So how it works right here is really in a nutshell how it works. You first have to sign up to TradingView, which is basically a trading platform similar to Coinigy, and I will put a link in the show notes to allow you guys to sign up for that. Then you have to sign up for a subscription on TradingView and insert your username into the Hypester or Spectro indicator platform, which shows that you have an active TradingView account. Then you'll add on Spectro indicator and be able to trade using the indicator that Hypester has set up with Spectro. When your Spectro license is set up, you will receive an email with step-by-step instructions on how to start using it. A few clicks and you're ready to go. Okay, so here's the pricing and here's everything you get with Spectro Indicator. Again, it's $35 a month. I personally don't think that's too bad, which is why I'm telling you about this. I don't think this is going to break the bank. What you get are auto renews each month. You can cancel anytime, no extra fees. Works with any market, any asset, and any time frame. So again, it's not just for cryptocurrency markets. It's for any market really in the world. That's supported by TradingView. It'll give you alerts for entry and exit points of when you should be buying, when you should be selling, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. It's going to give you direction change warnings. So as I showed you before, the background will turn red or green depending on whether the market's going to be a bearish or a bullish market. Noise reduction options to let you kind of hone in on what's actually happening in the markets. 20 indicators of confluence, Spectre price prediction clouds. The list goes on and on. Advanced trend analyzer, 8 types of moving average crossing, fine tuning panel, VIP support, knowledge base, so forth and so on. And I'm going to give the basics on some of these videos in the series that I'm going to make, but I also may try at some point to get Roderick on camera if he's willing to go through how each of these aspects and these features work on the platform. I think it'll be really helpful for the audience out there to really understand from the founder, from the creator, the person that actually developed the software, how these things work and how to best use them. I'm going to be doing the same thing on AI Trader, another experiment that I'm running. Here's a couple of reviews. Check that out for yourself. There's actually a ton of reviews on it. But again, $35 a month, right? This is really, really good. Let me just read this. The subscription gives you the full power of Spectro M, allowing you to use any asset on any time frame you want. It has been tested with Forex, stocks, commodities, futures, and cryptocurrencies, all presented at precision from 69 to 86%, right? So high frequency trades use leverage, which were also tested as well. You can combine and signal in any way using the same asset across different time frames, so forth and so on, okay? I highly recommend you go through and you look at these frequently asked questions. I'm going to get through this maybe in a little bit at a different time, but what I really want to do is I want to actually get into a live screen of how this works real quick before we run out of time on this first video. But go through these examples too. This will show you a good example of how, let me see if I could open this image in a new tab. This is just an image. I'm going to go to a live trading here, but you can see how there's indicators, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. And you could customize these indicators to be, arrows or buy sell signals, whatever you want. But let's jump into a trading view of this, okay? So right now, this is a Bitcoin chart on TradingView, okay? And really, if you can see here, you can see the back, and you could set this in a variety of different ways. So I'm not going to show you how to customize that right now. I'm just going to kind of show you the basics of how this actually works, okay? But you can see, let me zoom in here. You can see that the backgrounds right here are either red or green, depending on if we're in a bull market or a bear market or a bull market, right? And so you can see right here, there was a bear market, and all of this is red. Let me try to change the color of that. If you can see here we go. Let's see here. Okay, so if you can see my line, right, this is where the bear market was. Then we get into a bull market, and same thing. The green indicator shows where the bull market is and where it ends. It goes down, and then it predicts it again back up, okay? So that's kind of one aspect of this platform that I want to highlight to you, because it'll really give you a sense of if we're in a bull market or a bear market. Then what's really, really powerful are these buy and sell signals right here. I mean, these couldn't be more powerful, right? It gives you an indication of when you should buy and when you should sell. Of course, this is not a replacement for your own trading judgment, for your own technical analysis, but it definitely gives you another leg up on whether or not you should buy or sell. Based on, again, the parabolic movements, Spectro is trying to predict when the right time to buy and when the right time to sell is, based on these parabolic movements that happen over and over and over in the cryptocurrency markets, and really in any market over specific time periods. And so Spectro is using algorithms and math really to predict, where is that next parabolic movement going to be? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Where are we in that movement itself? And that's what's actually happening here. And that's why you see these buy and sell signals right here. Most recently, we see that Bitcoin went down to about 7,800, and Spectro jumped on that, you know, after showing a bear market right here, jumped on that and said to buy. So you can buy in both bear markets and in bull markets, but it looks like right here that Bitcoin is going up, right? I'm on a 4-hour chart. If I switch it over to a 1-hour chart, you know, you're going to see that actually that's a really good percentage gain. I mean, let's see what that is. That was a 4.2% gain, and it's going up as we speak. I mean, it's literally going up as we speak. So you can see the green live, the green background, if you can see it, it's changing green, right? It's changing from red to green, indicating that we are now entering a bull market, at least in the short term, right? These are the hour charts, so keep that in mind. If I go to the day chart, you know, it's going to get a little bit more messy. Oh, you know what? I got to turn off. I got to turn off these. These little balls and circles are other charts that you can look at on TradingView, which basically is kind of the sentiment of what's happening in the market itself. Okay, so as you can see, I've moved to a day time frame, and there's a lot of these that are coming up. But you can see that the background's green. It's been green for a little bit. I'm going to zoom back out into the 4 hours so that you can kind of see what's going on here. Okay, now you can see in the 4-hour, we're still in the red, but if we go to the 1 hour, and it depends on what kind of trader you are, right? Because if you're trading on the 1 hour chart, it's still going up, right? And this would be a good time to get in on that, or would have been a good time to get in when Spectro indicated that you should. But now if we watch this, eventually, and I probably won't have time on this video, but eventually there will be a sell signal that will pop up, which indicates that you should sell because it's going to go down. And I expect that to happen after we see this run up, okay? This works on the 15-minute charts, the 5-minute charts, the 1-day charts. It really works on any chart you want. It obviously gets a little bit more detailed when you're down on like the 15-minute charts right here. But this is an awesome tool, guys, and I couldn't be more excited about this. I can't wait to experiment and play around with this and make a video series of how this is actually working and how much I'm profiting from using Spectro Indicator, okay? So again, this is Spectro Indicator. It is $35 a month, so you do have to pay for this tool. But it is very powerful. I would give it 1 month, guys. Sign up, give it 1 month to try it out, and that's what I'm going to do. And if you can, you know, if you make $35 from this indicator and from this tool, it's going to be well worth it, right? And as I said before, if you stay on for more than 1 month, you're also going to get this crypto trading course for free. And I'm going to just jump over here real quick. I'm not going to do much of a review on the course. I will at a later time, but this course is very, very good. I mean, it goes into literally every type of trading technique from an analytical, technical analysis point of view to, you know, just how traders operate, the mentality, the psychology, all of these different things you're going to get if you stay with Spectro and you sign up for Spectro and keep it for over a month. You're going to get this course for free, which easily can be sold for a couple $100s on Udemy or some of these other platforms out there. Again, guys, I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. Hopefully you found this video useful, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this useful. I'd love to know if you sign up. Please comment. If we get enough people commenting down below, I will hopefully get the founder, Roderick Spector, to actually talk to us about Spectro Indicator, about Hypester, about what he's trying to do and what he's trying to accomplish. I think it's actually very cool what he's trying to do. So anyway, let me know what you think, guys, and I will talk to you next time. See you later. Bye. What the U-turn is.